Okay, in this graph sheet, let's just select all of this data, and of course you can dragging starting from A1 up to D53, but once again, if we just do too much, then all we need is Control Shift number 8 after you select any of these cells in the data, right? Then it's to select all of them automatically, so it's very convenient by that. Anyway, so after you select this data sorry, go to Insert and Charts, and we are going to choose Scattered graph, and one of the choice is Scattered with straight line and the markers. Okay. And it's giving us this kind of results. Okay, then one of the problem for this chart is it just use these weak numbers, okay, as a data. So this is a graph, right? So it's just giving 1 2 3 4 5, like up to 22 or 23, like that. So we don't want that, okay? Because why we get these results? Because we select everything like that, right? Okay, so let's see how we change this chart. First of all, let's just delete the first row and cell A1 only, and we select the whole data again. So let me just delete our chart again, because we are going to make it again. And once again, Control Shift number 8, select everything, and go to Insert and Scattered and Straight Line and Markers. Then can you see that we only have 3 graphs which covers that. And now Excel understand, because of this empty cell, this should be one of our axis information, and this one is another axis, so it used as a label in this x-axis. Okay, let's modify a little bit for our chart. First of all, the numbers are too big, because maybe our unit could be 1000 instead of that. So we already covered this one before, but click on this y-axis any place and right click, then format axis, then one of the choices axis options, and go to display units. Right now it's none, but we can change that on to thousands. And we have to make sure this checkbox must be checked, right, to show the label there. So after that, okay, click OK. Then it's giving us just 50, 100, but with thousands here. So we know this data is not only 200, but 200 thousands in there. And another thing is, if you select that, actually we can move around this one separately, independently, right? So you can place nicely over there. Now, even we already decide the chart types, you can change it anytime. So just right click on the chart area, then you select everything, right? But be careful, right now it might select just this green one only, right? So in the chart area, you have to make sure you have select all these graphs together, and one of the choice is change chart type. Click it, opens this dialog box, and you know we already choose the scattered ones, right? But so, and this one, right? But you can choose anything here. Okay. So in our note it suggests area with 3D. So how about that? Click OK. It shows that. You can change the format. If you don't like it, make sure you select everything and change the chart type. How about this one? Click OK. It changes like that. So you have many choices to choose your chart. Okay? And even you can move around the chart only here.